back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I organized under the cabinet of my kitchen sink. First, I just started by taking everything out from under the cabinet. I like to do that so I can see everything, and then it also gave me an opportunity to sweep and clean with an all-purpose cleaner the shelf. Now I am taking everything that does not need to be under the kitchen sink and moving it out. And I just went ahead and started with putting the garbage bags under. I discovered that they would fit perfectly under this shelf that I had found, and so I was very happy with that. Because the garbage bag is a roll, I'm able to just grab and slide out a garbage bag, and then the next one is ready to go. So you can see here that I'm just kind of playing with a few things that I picked up from either Kmart or the dollar store to help organize under the cabinet. The bigger items that I couldn't really fit on a shelf and that I use less frequently in the back, just lined up. Nothing very exciting there. And I decided I wanted to take everything out of the packaging. I just think it looks so much better and cleaner when everything is completely unwrapped and put out. And just when it looks better, I don't know, it makes me happier and I want to clean more. So I'm taking everything out of the wrapping, and it also makes it a lot smaller, so it's easier to store everything. So here is what the after looks like. Like I mentioned, I put the garbage bags underneath a shelf so I can just easily slide them out. The back row of this is just extra all-purpose cleaners, or something I use less, which is the leather wipes. And then you can see that I took out the dishwasher pods and put them into a glass. Here are all the sponge heads, rubber gloves, toothbrushes. Like I said, it just looks so much better without the packaging. And on that spinning, I guess you could call it, I put all of my all-purpose cleaners, Windex, etc. Things I use pretty commonly, and because it spins, it's easier to access all of it, and so it saves space. And then lastly, I just put a few hooks on the cabinet so that I could hang things with the hooks. So this pan and the duster hang easily there, and that saves space also because they just are on the door. I can close it without any issues, and because they're hanging, they're not falling all over the place, knocking over other bottles. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Please comment and subscribe and let me know if you want to see anything else like this. Thanks.